Question number 27 says, draw a triangle PQR such that PQ is 5 centimeters, angle P is 120 degrees, and PR is 6 centimeters. We have to construct one more triangle whose sides are 3/4 the times the corresponding sides of triangle PQR. The first step would be to draw the triangle PQR with the following sides and the following angle. Then we draw a ray PX like this, and then mark the points P1, P2, P3 and P4 on the line segment PX. After doing so, we will join P4 and R like I've drawn on the right hand side. Then we'll make the line P3 to R dash here. After doing so, we'll again draw the line from R dash to Q dash point. It should be parallel to the line QR, like this, totally parallel. And hence we got the triangle P Q dash R dash.